Today we would like to introduce you to some methods of propagation. We would like to do grafting. The tree that we choose, plant that we choose is Bougainvilla. This is purple types. We will take it as scion. Firstly, we must cut the tip of the stem. This is the scion. We must remove all the remaining leaf and also the flower. Just left some of the leaf and remove the others. Okay, this is the scion.
American boy, but Italian, my heritage. Same team from the bus stop, tearing shit up. I be rare, it's not enough to be aware of it. You think he blowing up, now put some more air in here. I don't need to care about the things.
Hello, next I will show you about the process of choosing rootstock. That you can see is the flower white type, and I was choose the harder of stem to become a rootstock. First process is we cut off the soft of branches. Okay. Next we clear the top of the branches without any leaf and flower. This is example of rootstock.
Okay, next is the preparation of scion to be grafted with the rootstock. Okay, firstly we must cut the tip at the below of the scion. The tip of the scion must be thin, very thin, like this. Okay. This is the rootstock that we have prepared. Next, we must cut the rootstock to give place for the bud stick to fit in. The scion will be fit in the rootstock like this, with the part that we have cut like this. Fit in. With that, the last step is we must cover it with a tape to maintain its position.
I know this might sound crazy, yeah. I've been thinking a lot about you lately. I'm not trying to sound basic, no, but I think you'd be proud of the man that you made.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could.
Hi, today I would like to show you the propagation method of budding, which is bud patch. The plant that I'm going to use today is a type of hibiscus, or also locally known as Bunga Raya. Okay. This is how we're going to do it. We have to use a very sharp knife to make cut inside towards the bud patch, and also want to reduce and minimize the risk of damaging any cell, any plant tissue or plant cell. Okay, so this is the bud patch that we've already detached from the plant, and then we will continue to strap this bud patch towards the rootstock.
Okay, now I would like to show you the process of cutting the stem to make an opening for the bud patch. After cut the stem, the bud patch will be inserted into the opening.
Next, I will show you how the proper way how to wrap this stem after you had put in the scion into the stem. So the first way is to wrap it from the down and going up to the do it, but do not wrap together the small leaf, as you want to grow it to become flower, the hibiscus flower. Wrap it until it is done like this, and this is how it is done. And finally, this is the result.
We're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young.